How to add WordPress user roles. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add users in your WordPress website. The reason we do this is because let's say you have a website where other people are blogging as well, so you don't want to share the password and you need to create a new user so they could log in from their account and start blogging about it. So it's very easy. All you have to do is go on users or add new, and then you just need to type their username. So let's say someone's checking my content, so I'll say content writer. Okay, you need their email ID, so get their email ID from them, write down their first name and create a password for them as well, and just add a new user. And make sure, so like if you want them to be as admin, so basically administrator is someone who has all the authority on the website, so he could delete, he could add users. So make sure, if you want to give him the admin status, you could give him, or you could, I would always suggest, if he's a contributor or if he's an editor where he checks your blog, he reviews your blog or makes changes to your website or on your blog, so I would always suggest go on editor, so he could make changes to your website. And administrator is someone like, if your website's having problem, you could create a admin user and just give him the username and password, but make sure, be really safe about it. I would always suggest editor, and creating a new user role in WordPress is really easy. Just all you have to do is click on users, add new, type their username, type their email ID, and that's it guys. Don't make it complicated, and thank you for watching. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.